Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Experiencing trouble with your PS5 share screen? Don't worry, many people do, and often the fix is quite straightforward. First things first, always check your internet connection. A strong, stable signal is absolutely crucial for smooth streaming. Sometimes, simply restarting your PlayStation 5 can clear up those annoying, temporary software hiccups, getting you back to sharing your gameplay with friends in no time at all. Next, let's dive into your network and privacy settings. It's really important that your PlayStation network privacy settings are configured to allow screen sharing. You should also check your router's NAT type, as Type 2 is generally recommended for optimal online play and smooth connections. And finally, double-check you're actually friends with the person you want to share your screen with. A common oversight, but an easy fix. Keeping your system updated is surprisingly important for share screen functionality. Always ensure your PlayStation 5 system software is completely up to date. Developers often release compatibility fixes in these updates, so check regularly. Also, make sure the game you're trying to share has its latest patch installed. Even the PlayStation Party chat app and any other related applications should be updated too, ensuring everything works together seamlessly. If the basics haven't worked, it's time for some advanced troubleshooting. Try rebuilding your console's database. This can often fix corrupted data that might be interfering with your share screen. Clearing the system cache is another great step, as it can resolve performance problems and glitches. For those with more technical savvy, consider checking your router's port forwarding settings. Specific ports for PlayStation Network are sometimes needed for a truly stable connection. When all else fails, you still have a few powerful options to consider. If the problem only happens with one specific game, consider reinstalling it completely. As a drastic measure, a factory reset of your PlayStation 5 might be necessary, but always back up your important data first. Finally, if you've tried every step and are still stuck, don't hesitate to reach out directly to PlayStation support. They can provide personalized assistance for those persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.